Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sharing 11 high-end furniture dupes from HomeGoods and where you can find a similar look for less for your home. You'll learn what's currently trending in furniture and decor so you know what to look for when you're out shopping. You're essentially training your eye to spot a great deal when you see one. I'm saving the best for last, so make sure you stick around to the end. For anyone new, I'm Nikki D, your go-to resource for design inspiration, furniture, and decor to make your home look like you hired a designer. Now let's get shopping. We'll start with the sofa because that's where most people start. Number one is this vegan faux leather Rachel Zoe sofa. It's selling for just under $1,000 and has a similar look to these CB2 high-end sofas that are both over $3,000. This living room inspiration from Lulu in Georgia is an example of how this sofa could be styled. It would look great with contrasting black accents and a neutral area rug like this one that has an interesting geometric pattern. Chances are your local HomeGoods does not have this sofa in stock, but Walmart has a similar version on sale for just under $1,500. It has a mid-century modern inspired silhouette and would look amazing in your living room, basement, man cave, or even a home office. Number two, this tufted sofa for $999. It has clean lines with a tufted seat and arms for an elevated look. It has a similar feel to this high-end Jonathan Adler sofa that cost $2,730. The wood base, bench seat, splayed arms, and tufted cushion give the HomeGoods sofa a high-end look. The Walmart sofa is not an exact dupe, but it does have a wood base, sloped arms, and a two-seat cushion for a sophisticated vibe. It's on sale for $548 and would be perfect for anyone just starting out. Number three, the Boucle storage sofa, which is $699.99. Boucle fabric is still going strong in furniture and home decor, so this style is right on trend. The fabric has a textured looped surface that's typically made from wool, cotton, or a blend of both. It's soft to the touch and has a plush feel that'll add a cozy, luxurious look to any room. I didn't find an exact match, but here's a high-end sofa from Kathy Koo Home for $2,399. It doesn't have the storage, but it has a similar vibe with the modern silhouette, bench seat cushion, and curved arms. The Casterly sofa has a two-seat cushion and curved silhouette for $1,799. Here's an idea of how to style it in your living room with a round wood coffee table. For a more affordable option, you could get a similar look for less with the Walmart Boucle sofa that costs $1,300 on sale. Any of these three options will add warmth and coziness to your design. And I'm sure you know what I'm going to say next. You have to measure and do a floor plan before buying any furniture, especially your sofa. It's the biggest piece and usually the highest investment, so you need to know it'll fit. Plus, you'll avoid returns. Make sure you grab a copy of the PDF download in the description below for a step-by-step detailed guide on how to measure and create a floor plan. Number four, this Boucle upholstered bench for $149.99. You can find Boucle fabric in everything from sofas, chairs, ottomans, pillows, and benches. This one would look great at the foot of your bed, in an entryway, living room, or any empty wall. The wood legs add warmth and an elevated touch. I don't have an exact match, but these Boucle benches will give you a similar high-end look. The first two are fully upholstered and have a curved silhouette. They'll add an elevated touch to your bedroom, stairway, or any empty wall. You can add artwork above or a mirror for an elevated look. The Lulu in Georgia high-end bench goes for $1,398, but you can also get the same high-end look for less with the Walmart version for $344.62. For added warmth, the next two styles have the wood base detail similar to the HomeGoods style. You can save with the Walmart Boucle bench for $363 or splurge on the Perigold style that costs $540 on sale. Number five, Burl wood furniture. Burl wood is a type of wood with a unique decorative grain pattern. The swirly growths form on trees and can be caused by fungus, bacteria, insect damage, or physical trauma. It's a rare and expensive material that's often used to create high-end furniture pieces like coffee tables, dining tables, and dressers. This burl wood table was on clearance for $199. It has a burl wood base with an organic cement top that will add a natural touch to your design. It's a similar look for less of the Crate and Barrel side table for $599. Organic furniture with curved silhouettes are having a moment in interior design and are perfect for modern contemporary spaces. For a similar look for less, Walmart has a fabulous burl wood and white resin coffee table for $495. My HomeGoods had these burl wood sea tables for $49.99 with a lacquer finish for added protection. Sea tables are great for small spaces because they can slide under a sofa or a chair to maximize the square footage in a room. For all things end tables, check out this video. Number 6, the Burl wood floor mirror for $249.99. Williams Sonoma has a high-end luxury version of this mirror for $1,995, so the home goods style is amazing. Anytime you see versions of a style in multiple stores at different price points, you know it's a popular trend. For example, Lulu in Georgia has a look for less at $998, and West Elm has an even better price of $599. This mirror would look fabulous styled in a corner, closet, bedroom, or entryway. If you're enjoying this video so far, please hit the subscribe button to get future notifications every Sunday. Give it a like and leave a comment what you'd like to see next. Number 7, the 4 hands tufted swivel chair for $599, which I found the exact style for $1,149. This is why it's so important to educate yourself on high-end designer furniture brands to know an amazing deal when you see one. If you follow the super talented Amber Lewis on Instagram, then you probably saw her high-end furniture collection she just released with 4 hands. The pieces are stunning, and this one is no different. It has a timeless silhouette that will be part of your home for many years to come. You can get a similar look for less from Walmart with the gold velvet upholstered chair that's just over $500, or the beige swivel chair with a similar silhouette but tufting on the outside for $331. For all things accent chairs, watch this video. Number 8, the scallop edge swivel chair, $499. HomeGoods has the best accent chairs in my opinion. This one is right on trend with the swivel base, rattan surround, and scallop edge detail. It would look great styled in any room from traditional, coastal, or transitional spaces. It'll add texture and interest to your interior design. The HomeGoods chair is a similar look for less to the Kathy Koo home chair that sells for $1,599. Crate and Barrel also has a version for $1,299. To get a similar look for less, Target has a swivel chair with rattan at the sides for $625, or Walmart has a version for $370. Number 9, the Wicker Egg Chair for $299. This chair is a look for less of the high-end Pottery Barn chair that costs $799. For a more affordable option, the Wayfair Wicker Egg Chair is almost identical for $299, or Walmart has a similar look for $189. This chair would look cute styled in a corner or with the back exposed to create a moment. It's perfect to make a statement in bohemian, coastal, or eclectic design styles. If you still don't know your design style, watch this video. Number 10, this rattan accent cabinet for $199.99. Another detail having a moment is rattan accents, which we just saw in the swivel chairs. This cabinet has texture and dimension with the reeded front and contrasting rattan panels. It's perfect to add a pop of color and interest to your living room, entryway, or foyer. It has a similar vibe to the high-end Kathy Koo cabinet that costs $1,299, or you can get the Dupe from Walmart Walmart for $109.99. If you have the space for a larger piece, Crate & Barrel has a wide cabinet for $2,299. Or you could snag the Look for Less from Walmart for $369.99, which is amazing. Number 11, the Raffia 2-drawer chest for $299.99. This piece would look great in a bedroom, living room, hallway, or foyer. It could be styled with a mirror or artwork up above. The navy Raffia surround will create a focal point while adding texture and interest. It's a similar look for less to the Kathy Koo Home Raffia wrapped nightstand. The HomeGoods version is such a great deal that even the Walmart high-end furniture dupe costs more at $1,173. Now, as promised, here are some bonus high-end furniture dupes and home decor that are currently trending. Accent tables are great to add function and style to your room. This wood table has a geometric shape for warmth and interest. It's super affordable at $49.99 and perfect for next to an accent chair or in front of your sofa. For a more modern vibe, this marble and metal accent table was also $49.99. It could be styled between two chairs, like you see it here, or used to create a corner moment with a single chair and a floor lamp. You'll elevate the look of your room while adding a place to put down your drink and relax. I've talked about how arches are trending before, and these floor-length mirrors are an affordable way to add the look to your home. My HomeGoods had the arch mirror in black or gold for $129, and I've seen similar styles on Pottery Barn, West Elm, Lulu in Georgia, and Our House. Another affordable way to add a high-end designer look to any room is with lighting. Aside from furniture, rattan can also be found in decor like this table lamp with the scallop edge detail for $69.99. It's a similar look to the Serena and Lily lamp that costs $598 or the West Elm styles that are just under $300. Add a pair on either side of nightstands in your bedroom, end tables in your living room, or add one to a console table for a designer touch. There was also this glass table lamp which would add sophistication and a high-end look to any room. At $49.99, it's a bargain compared to these similar styles from Pottery Barn. HomeGoods has the best affordable designer name brand rugs for any room in your home. For modern contemporary homes, this Jaffa rug is perfect for a neutral design. It's $299 for an 8x10, which is a fabulous price. For traditional, transitional, or coastal designs, this Oriental rug would look fabulous, not to mention it's a great piece to use as the jumping off point for your design. I talked in depth about how to create a color palette for your room in this video, so watch that for help and guidance. There was also the Surya rug for $399 for a 9x12. If you've been pricing large rugs, then you know this is a fabulous price. I've talked in detail about the different designer rug brands in this video. Another trend I've noticed is mushroom decor, and HomeGoods had this cute mushroom ottoman for $59 on clearance. It's the perfect piece to add to any room to put your feet up or for extra seating. Next, let's talk about artwork. HomeGoods is a great resource for high-end dupes. I spotted these two oversized pieces of art with a poly-textured coating. This one is great for a neutral color palette, or you could go with this one to add a pop of color to your design. At $59.99, either one is a great price. They have a similar look for less to the high-end left bank art in my living room. Just be aware, if you get a lot of sun during the day, the poly coat will yellow. I didn't know that before, but I still love the way they look. For a mid-century modern or boho style room, this geometric artwork would look wonderful. I've seen similar styles from West Elm for way more than this one costs at $59. Last up, we have the HomeGoods swivel chair for $249 on clearance. It's a look for less of this similar style from West Elm that's more than double the price. Our House also has a version of this swivel chair for $1,189 on sale. Chances are you won't find this deal in your local HomeGoods, but Walmart has an almost identical swivel chair in linen or boucle for $248. So you could always just order one of those. Remember, good design takes time, so don't rush the process. For a step-by-step guide to make your home look like you hired a designer, sign up for Designer Home 101 by clicking the link in the description below. In the easy to follow course, you'll learn to transform your home into a happy place that reflects your unique style and personality. No experience is necessary. You'll be guided every step of the way, from finding your style to adding the finishing touches that make a room feel complete. And that, my friends, is a wrap. Thank you so much for watching. I hope these high-end furniture dupes give you ideas and inspiration for your next design project. If you enjoyed this week's video, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, share it with a friend, and leave a comment below what you'd like to see next. For more design tips and inspiration, check out this video next. Love you all so much and happy designing.